Hey guys, it's Claudette Build-A-Cross, and today I want to show you how I paint this Christmas present. I'm going in first and just base coating it in white, and once that dries, I go in with my Montana acrylic paint marker in red and do some diagonal stripes. And then I go in with a little bit of evergreen and paint the top of my present and my bow. Following that, I'm going to go in and outline everything with a little bit of black paint, either using a Sharpie marker or a number 4 round. Both will work. And then I'll finish it off by highlighting everything with a little bit of white, still using that number 4 round. And then that'll complete my project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.